The PUNEHOD DTF Printer XP600 transfer printing machine is a versatile direct-to-film printer designed for small to medium DIY printing projects, especially on t-shirts. Make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to get this printer at the latest price available. With a compact A4-sized printing area measuring 8.27 inches wide and up to 39.37 inches in length, this printer is ideal for limited spaces such as offices or creative workshops. It accommodates various materials like kids' clothing, canvas bags, and more, allowing for diverse applications. One of the standout features of the XP600 is its innovative white ink circulation system. This system actively prevents sedimentation and printhead clogging, which are common issues in direct-to-film printing. As a result, users benefit from consistent ink flow, smoother operation, and more reliable print quality without frequent interruptions. This system ensures that white ink is always fresh and evenly distributed, expanding the creative possibilities and maintaining stable output even during extended printing sessions. Equipped with a standard micro-piezo XP600 printhead, the printer delivers high-precision output with resolutions up to 1440 dpi or higher. This capability allows for sharp details and rich color layers, capturing complex designs and delicate text with remarkable accuracy. Whether printing intricate patterns or bold, colorful images, the XP600 produces professional-grade results that meet demanding quality standards. Printing speed is another key advantage of the PUNEHOD XP600. Compatible with software such as PRORIP, Atusums Rip, and Rip version 11.2, it offers users flexibility in balancing speed and quality according to their specific needs. For instance, with PRORIP or Atusums Rip, the machine can complete an A4 sheet print at full 1440 by 1440 resolution in just about 4 minutes. Using Rip V11.2, the same print takes approximately 7 minutes and 15 seconds. This performance makes it suitable for both quick prototyping and batch production. When you purchase the XP600, you receive a complete printing bundle. This package includes the XP600 printer itself, a DTF oven for curing prints, for roll film, 6 250 ml bottles of DTF ink in CMYKW colors, and DTF powder. This all-in-one solution eliminates the hassle of sourcing separate consumables or equipment, making it easier for beginners and experienced users alike to start printing immediately. Connectivity is straightforward with USB technology, allowing easy installation and integration with most computers. The printer's portability and compact design mean it can be set up in various environments without taking up much space. Overall, the PUNEHOD DTF Printer XP600 transfer printing machine offers a professional, efficient, and complete printing solution for those looking to create vibrant, high-quality prints on fabrics. It stands out as a reliable choice for DIY projects and small business.